Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to bring your animations into Unreal and set them up inside of a 1D Blender space. First, open Unreal Engine and create a new project. Go to the Game section and select the third person template. Give it a name like Blend Space 1D and click Create. When it loads, you will see the default third person character. And this is the one we will be using as our base. We need some folders. Inside the content drawer, create a new folder called animations. And inside that, make subfolders like anim clips, character, blueprints, blend space, levels, and level sequence. Now we need some animations. We can use free animations from Mixamo. Or you can use your own idle walk and run animations. In Mixamo, pick any character you like. I'm writing Erika and download her in T-pose. Then we need animations. Here, search idle, choose one, like this. We can see the animation, and if you are happy with that, hit the download. Just change the option to without a skin. We need walk and run as well. I'll go with a sneaky walk. Select it in place. And again, no skin and download. Same for run. Now we need to import them into engine. We go to the animations folder, character, and we can either use this import button or drag and drop them. Click on that, select the Erika file and open it. And using the default pipeline setting. This will bring all the relevant files into our projects. You will notice a small asterisk here, which indicate there are unsaved changes. It's important to save our file to avoid losing any progress. We can click on Save here or Ctrl S on keyboard and save. Next, we are gonna import our downloaded animations. Going into the anim clips folder. Okay, this time let's drag and drop them here. Even if we use the default pipeline setting, we still need to specify which skeleton the animations should use. So in animation tab, there are two available skeletons. One is Erika, which we want, and the other one is mannequin from the third person template. Select Erika and import. Don't forget to save. We can also press on this 3 unsaved and save. Next step is creating a blend space to blend our animations. Going to the blend space folder and press add. Under animations, legacy, choose blend space 1D. It asks which character and select Erika and name it BS1D Erika. Then double click and open it. In the asset details, we can find asset details here as well. In access setting, name it speed. Minimum on 0 and maximum value on 600. Next, from asset browser, take the idle and drop it here. We can see speed is 0 and the idle animation is playing. Then bringing walk or sneaky walk here to connect it to idle. And by holding Ctrl on keyboard, we can see them blending together. Finally, add the run. Speed is 600 and save. Now we need a character blueprint. For that, we go to Content, Third Person, Blueprint. This is the file we need. Right click on it to duplicate and rename it to our character. Just change the character to Erika. Then select it and move it to our blueprints folder. Also add an animation blueprints. Choose Erika create, and name it AnimBP Erika. Then double click on it and go to anim graph here. We want to bring the one blend space that we created earlier here. So right click here and write BS1D and here. It is the one we created for Erika. Then connect them. Go to event graph. First connect this one to our character blueprint as Erika. So write third person. And for object, get player character. And from here, we need velocity. Yeah, get velocity, and we want to convert the velocity to length, vector length. Then right click on it and select promote it to variable. Then go here and call this new variable speed Erika. The only thing we need is to make sure this white line is connecting the entire process. So connect them. Now go back to anim graph and drag and drop the speed from here and select get speed. Then connect these two and press compile and save. Next step for us, we go back here and double click on this one to open. In viewport, select this top node, and over here we need to change some things. In the animation mode, make sure it's set for use animation blueprint. In anim class, it should connect to our anim blueprint Erika. Under the mesh, we want Erika. Everything looks right, so press compile and save. Going back to level, here in word setting, game mode is correct. But here we need to use third person Erika. And now, if we press play, we can see Erika running. But we can't see our sneaky bug. To fix that, we go to character blueprint, open it. And the event graph, we only add a few more things. Right key, select this one for example, and here in input, I press on this one and press shift on my keyboard. Left shift is here. Then we need to set max bug. If you can't see it, uncheck this one. Select it and connect it to when it's pressed. Also we need that for released. So copy paste it and connect. Now when we hold the shift, we change the max speed to 600. It is our own. And when we release the shift, max speed changed to 300. And it is our sneaky bug. Then drag this character movement as both need target. Connect them, compile and save. Then if we play with shift, we can switch between our sneaky bug and run. We have all downloaded animations for Erika: idle, sneaky bug and run. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.